database is available. So we need to create a connection to that database and to start using it. All these will be maintained in the data centers. So storage, we'll talk about the storage services. So this is, I told you, category. So storage. So this is all about the storage services. And Cosmos DB, this is the semi-structured database. So we will talk about the Cosmos DB architecture and request units, RMS request units. So all these things. So ARM templates, how we do that, and some basic introduction about the ARM templates. And from here, the actual the data services will start. Azure Data Factory. So what we cover. So I've given you the list. Azure Data Lake, Azure Databricks, Azure Stream Analytics, and I will cover even Power BI also. Power BI, Microsoft Power BI also I will cover. Okay. So I will tell you the conceptual oriented training. I will give you the conceptual oriented training, which will help you alone to work as a Azure Data Engineer. My trainings are not like a theoretical part, completely practical related trainings I have planned. And this is my 10th batch. I have given trainings in US, I have given trainings in India. I'm a corporate trainer. I have given trainings to the companies. Employees who are in the IT companies, I have given the training to them. I'm as a Azure Cloud Architect. Okay. So my trainings will be completely practical oriented training, and I will give you the material, PPTs, whatever the PPTs daily we will discuss that I will share you, and recordings in the Zoom training will happen, and recordings will be given to you, and question answers document will be given to you, and what are the different sources for learning where you can learn the Azure data engineering step by step in a detailed way. That also we will provide you. Means after completion of the training, you alone should work in the Azure data engineering job. Might be initially 1-2 months you may take help, but later on you can alone work. Okay, that is all I will cover in my training batch. So if anyone has any questions, please do ask. If not, I will talk about the advantages of learning the Azure data engineering. Any questions about your career in Azure data engineering? Okay. Okay. So this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Again, we will connect if you have any questions only. Otherwise, we don't no need to connect. You can contact Manisha. So you have 10 minutes time. I will give 2 minutes to you. So please ask if you have any questions specific to Azure data engineering. So benefits, what are the benefits that you are going to get if you join this training? First of all, for cloud, the demand is more. Now, in the present market situation, the demand is more for the cloud engineers. Cloud means either it is AWS or GCP or a Azure. In that cloud, the category called data. So that services who are working on the services, those are called as a Azure data engineers. There are very less people in the market and more jobs are there, but less people in the market. So very less competition. So you will get a job easily. And the packages are high and there is no coding. You no need to write like a developer, .NET developer, you no need to write coding. So you can easily use the services and you can integrate it. And sometime you need to write a Python script or PowerShell script like that. So that you can easily know, you can easily learn. That's not a big task. And this is not a core developer job. It's a data engineer. You'll be integrating on premises, you'll be migrating on premise to the cloud like that. Okay, I got one question. Let me read. Can we get real-time experience scenarios as most of the institutes are giving training? How this course is different when compared with them? Yeah, we are not a training institute, first of all. We are IT company. So we work on the projects and products. So we have developed our own products before. So all our trainings are targeted to the real time only. In institutes, they will give you all theoretical knowledge and they will give you knowledge which is not sufficient to get the job because there is a lot of gap between the training what institutes are giving versus what the job is expecting. That's why many people are jobless in IT. From your side, you will think that there are no jobs. From company side, employers will think that there are no right skilled people in the market. There is a difference. Okay. There are jobs, there are projects, but as a data engineer, you need to have a right skill. So that skill is missing in the market. That's why many people are jobless nowadays. Okay. So
Yeah,
any
hi Lakshmi. Good morning.
yeah.
This is Sham, your
Yeah, Shyam.
voice.
Good
Yeah.
morning.
So our agreement also you can given the all the things. We have not given the training and placement. So we have given the training and job.
Job. Yeah, yeah.
So yeah,
Yes.
both candidates are also there. So
Yeah.
because there are a lot of struggling on all the things of the other side, lot of times. So what companies you are addressing for the Azure Data Factory engineering for the jobs? What is the eligibilities? Other things.
Okay. LTI Mindtree is the company which is having the openings now. So the candidates who are looking or who are opting for the Azure data engineering job, so they can directly like they can start training and the process for the job immediately. So we will be supporting you, supporting the candidate with the resume, and the process will be initiated, and training will be there 2 hours per day. So within 2 months, like within 3 weeks, you will be having a job in your hand, and within 1 month, you will be completing your course. Second month itself, you will be started earning with this program. This is not like a training institutes like a in the placement program because they will give the training later on for the placement. You have to search, you have to put the resume. For putting the resume, nobody will help you with the projects. But here we are giving you the resumes, we are giving you the projects, we are giving you in-depth training, the practical training, and the job. Primarily, we are giving you the job, and for that job, what is required, all the things we are providing. And even after getting the job also, if you want uh, job support, that also we are providing. So complete package like career guidance, training, job, and job support means you will settle your life in the data engineering within 3 months, less than 3 months. 3 weeks
Okay.
you will have a job, and 1 month you will completing your course. Like second month itself you will start earning. So this is the program only for those candidates. Any
Yeah,
questions?
what environment is using for the Azure Data Engineering tools
You
and all
will
the things?
yeah.
Practicals.
Yeah, that will be covered in the training part. So Azure account to be created and no need to have a any configurations or anything. The basic laptop configuration is sufficient. to work with the Azure cloud, because you create an account in the, if you have internet connection and if you have basic configuration of laptop, that is sufficient to work on the Azure cloud.
Okay. What the role and responsibility of the Azure Data Engineering 3 plus or 4 plus more than
Yeah.
depend on
So
positions?
yeah, as I told, Azure basics you have to know. The roles and responsibilities includes the migration activities from the on-premises to the cloud. So as I told you before 2000 up to 2006, there is no term called cloud. So whatever the applications which are developed before 2006, the client wants now to migrate those applications or databases or anything like SAP application or a .NET application, Java application, Python application, any of the application, if they want to migrate to the cloud, the data engineers role will come.
Okay. What is the prerequisite learning of the Azure Data Engineering?
Now, what is that?
Prerequisite learning of the Azure Data Engineering.
Any fresher can also learn. And if you want to, if let's say if you work for 5 years or 10 years in one technology, and if you want to learn Azure data engineering also, that is fine. Like anybody can learn, because the cloud itself is a new thing which came in the year 2006. So anybody can learn. So there is no prerequisites. So irrespective of the technology degree, anybody can learn Azure data engineering, and which is in demand now, because this is the part of the cloud. In the cloud itself, there is a section called data. So we are dealing with the data services. So the person who are working on the data services is called as a Azure data engineer. Jobs are more,
Okay.
candidates are.
What difference? So what difference between Azure Data Factory, Data Lake, Data Bricks,
Yeah,
ARM, testings?
that will come later on in the training part. We'll go one by one.
Uh,
So Azure Data Factory is the first service which we have to use to migrate the data from the on-premises or from the other cloud services to the destination, that is the Azure cloud. So once your data is available in the Azure cloud, so that will be done only with the help of the Azure Data Factory service. Once your data is available in the Azure cloud, then to perform the analytics, we use the Azure Analytics service. Want to perform a data lake means which has a huge data. So let's say there is a big data. Let's say more than 10 GB of data is there. If you want to migrate more than 10 GB of data, then you have to use the data lake. So we have data lake generation 2. So that is there. That service we have to create. Okay, all these things will come
okay.
slowly in the training part. Databricks means this is here you need a skills like a Spark, so Python, little bit of coding is required. But nowadays, like everything is easy. You can use a ChatGPT free of cost, and you can get the code very easily with the help of ChatGPT. Okay,
So
so
core modules, so working with the one environment, Databricks,